Difficult conversations don't just test your leadership, they reveal it. The question is, will you lean into them or avoid them? Because trust is built or broken right here. Conscious leadership isn't just about making decisions, it's about feeling everything deeply. Yes, even the discomfort, especially the discomfort. Leadership demands that we not only acknowledge our emotions, but also locate where they live in our bodies so that we can breathe into them and vocalize them in order to release their hold on us. It's in this process that we truly grow, both as leaders and as human beings. So ask yourself, is there someone in your life or work who you need to have an honest conversation with? Someone whose actions or words have caused you discomfort, even hurt. Now is the time to confront that conversation. Here's how to do it with clarity and intention without burning bridges. First of all, laying the groundwork. Before diving into the conversation, let the other person know you want to share something causing you discomfort in hopes of strengthening the relationship. The goal here is not to blame, but to connect. Secondly, speak your truth. Share how you feel authentically. No sugarcoating here. Feel your words as you say them. Your honesty is the foundation of trust. Third thing, identify the cause. Pinpoint what specifically triggered your discomfort or hurt. Was it a comment, an action? Be clear and direct. 4, offer solutions. Oh, so important. Present suggestions on how to avoid this in the future. It's not just about pointing out the problem, it's about creating a better way forward. Do not let the other person only have solutions. Come to the table. You can negotiate what they are, which leads to the next important strategy for difficult conversations. Listen to their perspective. Gain their input. This isn't a one-way street. Be open to what they have to say and be ready to adjust your thinking. And 6, agree to a way forward. Work together to agree on how you move forward, stronger, more connected, and with clear understanding of each other's boundaries and expectations. By the way, this works really well with our partners in love and life. Real, honest conversations are where true leadership lives. They don't always feel good in the moment. Usually they don't, but they create that kind of depth and trust that amplifies your ability to lead with purpose. So, are you ready to step into this moment and embrace discomfort and elevate your leadership? Now's the time. Have the hard conversations. Lean into your hurt. It's your path to growth, deeper connection, and lasting impact. Until next time, make your contribution count for you, me, and ultimately, we.